In what ratio must a grocer mix two varieties of tea worth 60 rupees a kg and 65 rupees a kg so that by selling the mixture at 68.2 rupees a kg, he may gain 10%? Well, we have been given the selling price of this mixture, and this selling price, if he sells the mixture at this selling price, he gains 10%. So let us first find out the cost price. So the selling price is 68.2. It is equal to a 10% increase in the cost price. Remember profit and loss? So this is basically 110% of the cost price. Now we are going to find out cost price. So cost price is equals to 68.2 times 10, that's 682 divided by 11, and this is equals to 62. Now this is the cost price. Now you mix these two varieties of tea, that's at 60 rupees per kg and 65 rupees per kg, in such a way that you get the cost price of 62 rupees. So this is the mean price, right? Because we are mixing these two teas to get 62 rupees as the mean price, and we are selling this mixture at 68.2. So basically what we have is the cheap variety, which is 60, so C is equals to 60, and the costlier variety, so D is equals to 65. And now we have found out the mean price, that's 62, so M is equals to 62. On the left hand side I have 65 minus 62, and that's 3. On the right hand side I have 62 minus 60, that's 2. So the ratio of the quantity of the cheap variety upon the quantity of the costlier variety, that will be 3/2. So that's what we have been asked. So the ratio is 3:2. Option A. How many kilograms of sugar costing rupees 9 per kg must be mixed with 27 kgs of sugar costing 7 rupees per kg so that there may be a gain of 10% by selling the mixture at rupees 9.24 per kg? So we have been given the selling price, that's 9.24 rupees per kg. Let's find the cost price. So 9.24 is equals to a 10% increase in the cost price. That's 110 by 100 times cost price. So the cost price is equals to 92.4 by 11, and that's equal to 8.4. So we have the mean price ready, 8.4 rupees. So the mean price M is equals to 8.4. The cheaper rate is 7 rupees per kg. So C is equals to 7, and D is equals to, we have been given 9 rupees per kg. So by alligation rule we can find out the right hand side, that's 8.4 minus 7, so it will be 1.4, and on the left hand side I have 9 minus 8.4, and that's 0.6. So according to alligation rule, QC by QD is equals to 0.6 by 1.4, that's 6 by 14, and that's, if we divide both the numerator and denominator by 2, we get 3 by 7. Now when the cheaper quality's quantity is 3 kgs, the costlier quality's quantity is 7 kgs, right? Now we have been given the quantity of the cheaper sugar, right? That's 27 kg. So 27 kgs is the quantity of cheaper sugar. We have been asked what is the quantity of the sugar costing 9 per kg, and that 9 per kg is the costlier quantity, right? So 27 will be how many? Let's cross multiply and equate. X is equals to 27 times 7 by 3. 3 9s are 27 and 7 9s are 63. So 63 kgs should be the kilograms of sugar costing 9 rupees per kg mixed with 27 kgs of sugar costing 7 rupees per kg. So option D is the correct answer. In what ratio must water be mixed with milk to gain 16/3% on selling the mixture at cost price? So the two quantities here are water and milk. Now water is free, so its price is 0 rupees per kg. let the cost price of milk be 1 rupees per kg. Now it is said that the mixture is sold at cost price. That means the mean price is the cost price. So let us first find out what is the cost price. So if we assume that the selling price of the mixture is 1 rupee per liter and there is a gain of 50 by 3%. So 1 is equals to 50 by 3% increase of the cost price. So that's 100 plus 50 by 3 upon 100 of the cost price. So we have 1 equals to 350 by 3 upon 100. So that can be written as 350 upon 300 times the cost price. Okay, so 5 6 are 30 and 5 7 are 35. So therefore the cost price is actually 6 by 7. We've got the cost price. So this is equals to 6 by 7. Now let's apply the alligation rule. We have on the left hand side I have 1 minus 6 by 7 and that's 1 by 7. On the right hand side I have 6 by 7 minus 0, that's 6 by 7. So the quantity of cheap upon the quantity of costly is equals to 1 by 7 divided by 6 by 7. This 7 and this 7 get cancelled out. What I have is 1 by 6. So 1:6 is the ratio, option A.